This is a video about how to make multiple test reservations for the same individual student. Okay, so first pick your dates. So this is my first date, and I'm going to pick 10 o'clock. And then it pops me down to choose my duration, and I want 2 hours. And now to add another date, you simply scroll back up and pick another date. So I'll go back into October, and we'll do that same time. This time I'm going to do seat 6 because I like to shake it up. And you can see here a list starts to build. And we'll do one more so you can see what that looks like. Again, I pick my date. I select my start time, my duration, and there I have 3 seat reservations, different dates. And when I click submit times, it's going to push me through to the reservation process where I will fill in the information about the student. But if I made a mistake with one of these dates, or I decide I don't want a date, I can just hit the trash can icon. It goes away. I can go up here and select another one, or again, click submit times and move on. And the confirmation email that you receive will have those dates listed for that individual student. Thank you.